The topic is resolution of fractions into partial fractions. Consider 1 over x minus 1 and minus 2 over x plus 1, 4 over x. This is the set of three fractions, each of which is prefixes positive or negative sign. It is easy to find a single fraction which is equals to the sum of these fractions. Thus 1 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 4 over x. We will add these separate terms as plus or minus signs. We will take the LCM of these terms and get the fraction by solving these 3x square plus 3x minus 4 divided by x into x minus 1 and x plus 1. The single fraction 3x square plus 3x minus 4 divided by x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 is the simplified form of the given fractions. They are the given fractions. And this is the simplified form of these three fractions. And this is known as resultant fraction. This simplified form is known as resultant fraction. The answer of these three fractions is resultant fraction. The given fractions 1 over x minus 1, minus 2 over x plus 1 and 4 over x are called components of the fraction or partial fractions of this simplified form of fraction. These separate terms are called as partial fractions of this resultant fraction. They are partial fractions and their sum is known as resultant fraction. So these are the partial fractions. It means if a rational fraction is given and we split this rational fraction into small parts like this, they are known as partial fractions. Partial mean small, fractions mean parts, small parts of a large fraction. This is a simplified or the resultant fraction and they are their rational fractions, partial fractions, rational partial fractions.